Hey, welcome back to Scholarship. If you're new here, this is a channel where I find the funded opportunities so you don't have to spend hours digging through the academic job boards. And today is a big one. I have found 13 fully funded PhD positions that are currently open across Europe, with most deadlines falling between July and August 2026. Some of these close in just a few days, so please stay until the end and check those timestamps. And before we dive in, I want to say something really important because I know of you are watching from India, from Pakistan, from Nigeria, from Southeast of Asia. You might think a PhD in Europe is out of reach. That's only for people who already have money. That it's for people with connections. I want to completely challenge that today. In Europe, doing a PhD is not just studying it, it's a paid job. You receive a monthly salary, you are an employee of the university, you have health insurance, annual leave, pension contributions in some countries, and conference travel funding. You do not pay tuition. The university pays you to do research. These 13 positions today are in AI, medical imaging, quantum technology, climate science, energy system, traffic modeling, and even creative language. And they are open to international applicants. So this video is for you. So welcome back to Scholarship. I cover fully funded PhD, master programs, fellowships, and youth opportunities from around the world. If that's something you need, subscribe right now. I post regularly and I don't waste your time. Alright, let's go through all the opportunities. I'll cover the country, the topic, the funding, and what they're looking for, and the deadline. So let's start. First up is Hewlett Packard Enterprise, University of Trento, Neuromorphic Computing. This is a truly unique one. Hewlett Packard Enterprise, yes, HPE, is one of the biggest tech companies in the world. It's offering a PhD position through the Marie Skłodowska-Curie Actions Doctoral Network called MINDnet. That is what's called an MSCA fellowship. If you all have been following my previous videos, you all will know what Marie Curie Skłodowska Scholarship or Fellowship is. So, which is among the most prestigious doctoral funding schemes in Europe. Backed directly by the European Union, the network trains 15 doctoral candidates across 10 organizations and 8 European countries. Your specific project is about hardware-software co-design for neuromorphic computing, essentially designing the next generation of computer chips that mimic how the human brain processes the information and then building the AI algorithm that runs on them. You'll be physically based at HPE's Belgium office but enroll at the University of Trento in Italy for your PhD. You need a master's in physics, photonics, electrical engineering, applied maths, or computer science. Python skills and experience with machine learning framework like PyTorch are a strong advantage. One important thing, this is an MSCA position, which means there are mobility rules. You cannot have lived in Belgium for more than 12 months in the 3 years before starting. So if you are an international applicant, this is likely perfect for you. The deadline for this opportunity is 31st of August 2026 and you need to email all the details given into the link below, and the email address is as well given to you. The Netherlands now. The University of Twente has a fully funded 4-year PhD in computer vision based in the data management and the biometrics group. The project focuses on compositional learning for vision foundation models, which is basically trying to make AI systems like image recognition models smarter and more data efficient. Right now, training these models requires enormous data set. This project aims to change that. The salary here is truly competitive, starting at the 3,059 euros per month, rising to 3,881 per month by year 4, plus 8% holiday allowance and an 8.3% end of year bonus. That is a very solid income by any standards. So you need a master's in computer science for this, computer engineering or mathematics with a focus in AI or machine learning. Strong programming skills and knowledge of deep learning are essential. The deadline for this is 20th of July 2026. So this is coming up fast. You need to contact the email address is given to you, n.stricsciglio@u20.nl. Link is in the description for all the details. Sweden now. Chalmers University in Gothenburg, which is one of Europe's leading technical universities, has a doctoral position in optical quantum networking. If you have heard about quantum computers and quantum internet, this is right at the frontier of that field. The project is about designing optical switching systems and network protocols that will connect quantum processes together, essentially building the infrastructure for quantum computing at scale. This is deeply technical work combining quantum communication theory with high-speed optical networking. You'll need a master's in electrical engineering, optical communications, or a related field. Prior experience with quantum simulation tools like QUTIP or QISKIT is a bonus. Starting salary is SEK 35,725 per month approximately, which is 3,100 euros. 4-year fully funded position, teaching of up to 20% may extend the position to 5 years. Gothenburg is a wonderful coastal city, great for quality life, and Sweden offers generous parental leave for free schools, subsidized childcare, and healthcare. The deadline for this opportunity is 31st of July 2026, and you need to contact the email address the professor is given, roland@chalmers.se. The link is again given in the description. Norway now, and this one is genuinely exciting if you care about climate, Arctic environments, and AI. NTNU, the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, has a PhD position associated with the Norwegian Maritime AI Center focused on AI enabled forecasting for Arctic maritime operations. The specific challenges in the Arctic marginalized zone sea ice conditions can change extremely rapidly due to storms, waves, and currents. Ships need to make real-time navigation decisions under high uncertainty. This PhD will develop AI and physics-informed models to predict ice conditions and help with route planning. Combining satellite data, onboard sensors, and simulation frameworks, you'll collaborate with the Norwegian Meteorological Institute and industry partners including Equinor and the Norwegian Coastal Administration. Background needed is Masters in Engineering, Ocean Technology, Computer Science, Data Science, or Geophysics. Experience with numerical modeling, machine learning, or geospatial data is a strong plus. Salary is NOK 550,800 per year, around 48,000 euros annually, which is 3-year doctoral position plus 1 year of career enhancing work. The deadline for this opportunity is 23rd of August 2026, and you need to contact Professor read.lubad@ntnu.no. Link for the advertisement is again given in the description. Finland now, a second position at the University of Turku, this time in a very different area, AI for healthcare. The project is called FINE Health Foundry, and the goal is to build a nationwide foundation model for health using Finland's national health data into patient health records to help doctors reason, diagnose, and make decisions. You'll work on one of the 3 exciting pillars, training the foundation model itself on longitudinal health records, developing medical reasoning, techniques over clinical knowledge, graphs for building AI-powered virtual labs for medical professionals. This is deeply meaningful research, genuinely change how healthcare works. You need a master's in computer science, data science, machine learning, or a closely related field, experience with PyTalk or Hugging Face, and a strong interest in medical AI is required. Salary is 2,500 to 2,700 euros per month, fixed term until September 2029. The deadline for this opportunity is 17th of August 2026. And the link is in the description. Switzerland now, and this is a beautiful thing. The University of Zurich's Ecovision Lab has 2 doctoral positions as part of Swiss National Science Foundation project called From Alps to Arctic, satellite-based assessment of forest canopy height across decades. The mission used deep learning and satellite imagery to map how forests have changed from the Swiss Alps to the boreal forest of the Arctic, going all the way back to the 1970s. This is foundational climate science. Understanding how forest grows, degrade, and recover is critical for global carbon cycle research and policy. You will develop deep learning models for satellite time series, super resolution imaging, uncertainties estimation, and multimodal data fusion, and published in top venues like Neur, IPS, CVPR, and Nature Sustainability. The EcoVision Lab is affiliated with UZH.ai. The ETH Center even has ties to the UN. This is excellent for your academic career. You need a master's in computer science, machine learning, data science, or electrical engineering with strong deep learning and computer vision experience. These are initially 1 year contract, renewable up to 4 years. Starting date is 1st of January 2027. Application deadline is 16th of August 2026. Contact Professor Jendrik Wegner directly. This one has an urgent deadline, so pay attention. France, Inria, Saclay, and Paris-Saclay University have a 3-year PhD position in AI for medical city imaging. The project, funded by ANR France, will develop an open source foundation model for abdominal CT scans trained on 50,000 real 3D clinical scans from one of Europe's largest hospital data warehouse. The model will then be tested on the 3 cancer applications: colorectal cancer staging, liver cancer treatment, and pancreatic cancer prognosis. This is an AI that could directly save lives. Will work under the supervision of Emily Shuznox at Inria's Opus team on the Central Supilex campus in Saclay. Sorry for my pronunciation, I'm not Italian. One of Europe's most prestigious scientific campuses. You need deep learning expertise, proficiency in Python and PyTalk, and a strong interest in medical imaging. Start date is 1st of October 2026. Funding covers conference travel and equipment. Deadline is 10th of July 2026, and this is days away. If this is your area, drop everything and apply now. Email reach through Inria Saclay's application portal. Link is in the description. Back to Norway, the University of Oslo has PhD in AI for energy informatics, part of the Norwegian National AI Center for AI for Decisions, which is a major national initiative involving NTNU, SINTEF, and over 50 partner organizations. The energy grid is transforming households and becoming energy producers. Microgrids, smart meters, electric vehicles, all generating data and all needing intelligent coordination. This PhD will develop game theoretic AI frameworks and multi-agent learning systems to help energy networks make better collective decisions fairly, transparent, and efficiently. You'll work on AI for demand response, peer-to-peer energy trading, renewable integration, and grid resilience, with a strong focus on explainability and compliance with EU AI regulation. This is for students with a master's in electrical engineering, computer science, or a related field with a strong background in AI optimization and energy systems. Salary is NOK 550,800 to 595,000 per year. 3-year fellowship extendable up to 4 years. Start date is as soon as possible, no later than the September 2026. Apply via the link in the description. Denmark now. The SDU Center for Energy Informatics has multiple PhD positions on 2 exciting themes. Theme 1 is Next Generation AI-driven digital twins for building energy optimization, essentially building intelligent virtual replicas of real buildings that can learn and predict how to optimize heating and cooling in real time. Theme 2 is predictive maintenance for smart energy networks, using AI to predict faults, plan maintenance, and improve the reliability of smart grids and district heating networks before problems even occur. Both are embedded in real national and international projects with industrial partners. This is applied impactful research with direct real-world relevance. You need a master's in computer science, software engineering, energy engineering, or related field, and the salary is DKK 37,075 gross per month, approximately 4,960 euros. Yes, Danish PhD salaries are genuinely generous. Deadline is 20th of August 2026, and you need to contact the professor through the link and the email address given in the description. The Netherlands again, and TU Delft, which is one of the top engineering universities. It has 2 positions focusing on the hybrid traffic flow models using physics-informed neural networks, and position 2 is focused on data assimilation and network state estimation. You need a master's degree in a STEM field with strong programming skills and a love for complex systems. Each position comes with a salary of 3,059 to 3,881 euros per month plus holiday and year-end bonuses. Deadline is 2nd of August 2026. So these are the 13 fully funded PhD positions. More are into the link because I could not explain them in detail. I've given them in the link. These opportunities are real, they are open, and you are eligible to apply. If this video helped you, please like it. It seriously helps with this channel reach more students who need this kind of information. And subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with one friend who's looking for a PhD. All the links, emails, and deadlines are in the description below. Go check them out right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep going, keep applying. Your opportunities out there.